Hi, I'm James from Fine & Country and you've joined me here today at this beautiful 2-bedroom apartment on Newbold Terrace, forming part of the iconic Royal Terrace in Leamington Spa. The property's got its own outside space and beautiful communal gardens. Let's take a look inside. You've joined me in the beautiful communal gardens of this fabulous property, where just across the road we've got the Jephson Gardens and Newbold Common. If you'd like more information about this property or would like to view, please contact me on the details that follow. Thank you for watching.